Hi Darren, I'm here with your car. Okay, so I wanted to give you an idea of what I was talking about with the exhaust leaks. So this right here, this is the upstream catalytic converter, and it has a heat shield on it. I don't know if you see those little pieces of metal there that are attached to it. The weld points, that's a really common failure on these cars. The weld points are the first thing to let go, and then you get leaks out of the catalytic converter. I don't know if you can see the soot trails there, but the housing of the catalytic converter itself is leaking. So there's really no other way to fix it other than replacing it. If we try and weld it, it's just going to fail again very quickly. So that's spot one that's welding. Spot two is your manifold. So the manifold is the part of the exhaust that takes the exhaust gases right from the engine block and channels it into the exhaust. So you see those tubes there. If you look under number 2, the manifold itself is rotting and it's got a leak. If you can see the soot marks underneath it. If I can get this thing to focus. There. So the soot marks, that's exhaust leaking out because the manifold itself is rotten. And that'll just continue to get worse and worse. So the exhaust makes pulses as each cylinder fires, and in the lull behind each pulse there's a negative or a vacuum in the exhaust, and that will draw oxygen into the exhaust, and then it can get picked up by the oxygen sensors. And you see the upstream oxygen sensor that's I suspect is failing right there. It'll get picked up by that. We've already replaced this downstream O2 sensor. All right, so that's our problem in a nutshell. So I'll get you some numbers. Thanks.